Hi, it's Alan Dakin, and I'd like to talk to you this week a little bit about the assignment. The assignment number 2 is coming up, so I'm going to take a look at the assignment and give you a few details as to how to go about doing the assignment. This is assignment number 1. We've already submitted it, so I'm going to scroll down the page right down to assignment number 2. Now, what you'll see with assignment number 2 is that there are 3 documents given to you in assignment number 2. One of them is the formula sheet in PDF format. The second document is assignment 2 report doc. That's the document that you will be using to edit. It's a Word document, and you will be inserting your assignment solutions in this Word document. We've also given you the formula sheet doc in a Word file format, and this way you can copy and paste any formulas that you may need from the formula sheet document and paste them into your Word document. This way you do not have to generate the formulas yourself. So I'm going to open up the assignment 2 report doc. Note that when you open the document, you may need to turn the editing features on. And now the document is open. Now you can see that the editing features may need to be turned on. So we're going to enable editing. And just to show you what's in this document, I will enable the editing. And just to show you what's in this document is it comes downloaded with the questions so that you don't need to retype the questions again. The questions have been scanned as an image, individual questions, and we expect that you will insert your solution here. So I'm going to say insert the solution here, whatever your solution may be. And you don't need to use only that amount of space. If you need to use extra space, okay, you can use as much space as you like. So question number 2 is given here. Now I'm going to show you how to copy and paste any of the required formulas that you might need. And the formulas, as you know, are going to come from the formula sheet docx document. So I've already downloaded that, so I will open that document up. Of course, I've also enabled the editing, so the document looks like this, and you've got lots of formulas in here. You do not need to type the formulas out, so if you find the formula that you need within this document, all you need to do is select it and copy and paste it into your clipboard. And so obviously I'm not going to be using the regression formula for this assignment. I'm going to be using some of these formulas for independent events or binomial formula or whatever. I will be using some of these formulas for the assignment solutions. So let's go back to the assignment. And so in order to demonstrate to you the copy and paste routine, I thought I would do a sample question. So I moved over to question number 4, and I gave you a typical question number 4 sample. A biologist must write up an ecological report on 12 different species at risk, with one report written each month on different species. How many different ways are there or orders to write the reports? So clearly what she has to do is she's got 12 different species, and in the first month she can write a report on any one of those 12 different species. In the second month she needs to write a report on any one of the 11 remaining species. So I suppose I'm going to insert my solution here, and my solution is going to be each month she writes a report. And there is no repetition permitted. So we're going to be using the permute formula. And the permute formula, if you take a look at it from our formula sheet, there's the n permute r and also the n choose r. So the one that I'm going to be using is the n permute r. So I'm going to copy that formula and paste that into my Word document. And so I'm going to paste the formula in this location with a Control V, and perhaps that might be a good idea if I indicated I must use the permute formula because order is important. And in this particular case, I'm going to be using 12 permute 12, which I will then calculate on my calculator and work and enter my answer here. And of course, you should also keep in mind that all of these solutions to these assignment questions, you should work out a draft copy on paper and pencil in advance so that you're not keying in your solutions while you're working through the Word document. Always have a draft that you should work from and do your calculations before you're entering in the document. So again, if you have any questions, be sure to ask. You can ask me, or you can go to the Math Center at the Humber College for any help that you might need. They're very happy to help you. The website for Humber College is also provided on the eLearn on the Blackboard page for the course. That's about all.